Hi, I'm Tulinda Larsen, Membership and Job Board Advisor for Women in Drones. Over the past 4 years, the commercial drone industry has really taken off, and so has Women in Drones. Founded in 2017, Women in Drones is now a network of more than 6,000 women who are using our network for connecting, collaborating, and finding opportunities to balance the gender equation. We are launching a job board initiative to connect companies with women to fill positions. The jobs include full-time, part-time, and internships. Job seekers can search the posted jobs and post resumes. We even have resources to help women enter the technology job market and to advance their careers. Companies can post multiple jobs and be featured as a leader in promoting gender equality. Plus, companies can search the posted resumes to find quality and qualified candidates. We have lots more opportunities coming soon, so stay tuned. It's time to balance the gender equation in the drone industry through the Women in Drones Job Board.